Welcome to the Rabbit Cage Assembly Guide. Step 1. Assembling the cage frame. Start by locating the front panel and side panels. Use M-clips to attach one side panel to the side of the front panel. Attach the remaining side panels to the front panel, spaced 50 cm apart using M-clips. Find the back panel with the bent sections. Secure it to the side panels. Locate the top panel. Using M-clips, connect it to the front and side panels. Find the slanted panel. Secure it to the slanted edge of the side panel with M-clips. Repeat this process until the entire cage frame is assembled. Step 2. Securing the cage structure. For overall stability, use bolts to pass through pre-drilled holes in the L-shaped steel frames. Place washers inside the cage for a secure fit, then tighten the bolts. Ensure each side of the cage is bolted down to the L-shaped steel frame. This will guarantee that the cage structure is solid and immovable. Step 3. Installing accessories. Slide the droppings tray through the bottom of the cage into place. The bent structures on the front and back panels will support the entire tray, ensuring it won't fall. Use the provided hardware to fix the water dispenser to one side of the cage, making sure it is securely in position. The food bowl has a wire clip feature on its front. To ensure stability, we offer specialized clips for secondary fixation. Next, install the cage door. Noting that it opens inward, the door is secured with a latch, offering easy access and durability. We provide cage door clips to securely fasten the cage doors, preventing rabbits from escaping. Repeat this process until all parts of the rabbit cage are installed. Final step, water tank installation. Secure the shut-off valve to the side of the water tank. Connect the float ball and arm to the shut-off valve. Attach the bottom hose connector. And close the water tank lid. Using the provided PVC hose, plastic T-connectors, and elbow fittings, link them to the water dispensers on each rabbit cage. Your rabbit